Hi, this is Pam from R Enterprises in Greenville, Tennessee with a 5-minute drill on truck number 7870. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 100. The chassis is a 2023 Chevrolet G4500 with a 159-inch wheelbase. It is two-wheel drive. It is a V8 gasoline engine. The overall length is 279 inches. The overall height is 107 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It is a PL Custom, new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new moose bumper, new wheel and siren and wheel and speakers, new wheel and LEDs. Has a 3,000 watt trip light inverter and charger, a new Pro Air HVAC system. Let's talk about the body configuration. An adjustable shelf, all new diamond plate, adjustable shelf with inside-outside access, a new rear bumper with a flip-up step, the load height is 33 inches without cargo. Left side attendant seat, action areas forward and aft, new attendant seat with child safety seat integration. The power distribution quarters are located behind the attendant seat. Walk-through with door, the ALS cabinet with inside-outside access and adjustable shelf. Squad bench has storage above and below with the glove compartments above the squad bench. The right rear backboard storage with inside-outside access. Curbside entry. This unit houses 3 batteries, 2 in the battery compartment drawer, and the 3rd under the hood. New front console. If you have any questions about this truck number 7870 or would like more information on any of our other units, please call us at 1-833-736-6868 or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.